Guys, welcome to my channel once again. I just want to highlight just one important thing here. Byvoeglike naamwoorde, attributief. Attributief, this is the describing word. It is describing the marks that the person get. Goed punte, right? This person got good marks. Hy het goeie punte gekry. Remember, with attributiewe byvoeglike naamwoorde, the form of the word must change, okay, in this position 1, right? It should be goeie punte, okay. Please search the video on attributiewe byvoeglike naamwoorde or byvoeglike naamwoorde on my channel. Attributiewe byvoeglike naamwoorde, just so you can get this proper, right? In the sentence position 1, there is my noun in position 2. All right, so here the form of the word must change into attributiewe form. Goeie punte. Thank you for visiting my channel. Please tell a friend to visit once again. Thank you very much. Subscribe, people.